Whoa, hope everybody's doing good today. Today I'm going to bring you something to go along with my last video I did a couple days ago, or a few days back. So we'll be taking a look at this coming right up. Alright, this is something that I mentioned in that other video that I did about hunting and fishing quite a long time ago. I'll put a link up here, and you can click on that after this video and go check that out. But what this is yo-yo fishing reels. Now, from what I understand, they're supposed to work pretty darn good. Oh, they stapled to the instructions. Whoa. Could you spare the ink? Needless to say, I will not be reading these off of here. I think it's the same thing I downloaded. Oh, this has a little more information, but I'm sorry, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there definitely is not any any ink spared on that. But these are supposed to be pretty simple and straightforward on how to use them. Oh, let me get this paper clip or staple out of the way. Probably end up on the floor and end up in my foot. Anyway, it comes with some line to tie these up with. And the way these work is you pull out the line, and it does get pretty springy. You're going to get some fish reeled in on that. And then there's this little hook. I'll come zoom the camera in to demonstrate this so you can see exactly how that spring mechanism works in there. So let me zoom that camera. Well, there you go. Anyway, it's got this little metal piece right up here, which when you pull out the line, and they come with these swivels already on them, it looks like there's just a regular knot in there, and it's been melted at the end. Anyway, you pull out some of the line. Of course, you put a leader with a hook and weight, depending on what you're fishing for, and your hook and weight on there. This little hole is where you hang it from the tree. Then you pull out the line to your desired length, and see that little, I'm trying to get the best angle here, that little piece right there that moves back and forth. You catch it behind one of these notches, like so. And then when you get a fish bite on there, it releases that and it reels them in. Well, it doesn't really reel them in completely, but what it's going to do, it's going to tire them out. It's going to set that hook for you, because as soon as they jerk on that, this is going to release. And if you have enough line, say about like that, there's enough tension in that spring where it's going to set that hook for you. Anyway, I wanted to pick up a couple of these to show you. There are some different ones on the market that I've seen. These are the cheaper ones, but I've seen some with like a little rod coming out here to keep the line out away from the reel here. I reckon that's the only reason it's there. But there are several different ones out on the market, and several prices. Even even if you go to Amazon, where am I here? Okay, there we go. Even if you go to Amazon and look these up, there's several different sellers and several different prices, and you can buy them. I got the one with 2 in a pack. They've got 3 in a pack, on up to dozen, and there might have even been a 24 pack, I don't know. But anyway, I wanted to show you these. These are going in with let's see, where is that going in with this? Now I'm looking at things upside down in the camera here. Anyway, it's going in with the BOSS BOSS Bug Out Supplement, Survival Supplement, what they call that. And that'll be going in the bug out bag with these. Now I gotta get the bug out bag out and pack these away. Anyway, I hope you like this. Please give us a thumbs up if you did, thumbs down if you didn't. If you didn't, tell us why. If you did, tell us why. Don't forget to comment down below, because that's how you get put in for the drawing each month. So go down, make a comment, give me a thumbs up if you liked it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit that little bell icon and you'll be notified next time we upload a video. And I hope this part didn't come out too weird, because I don't usually do videos upside down like this. So anyway, there they are, the Yo-Yo fishing reel.